One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I've got here for you today is an absolutely gorgeous little Mercedes-Benz. It's a 1975 280C. These cars are quickly becoming expensive. Get them now. If you don't get these in the next few years, you ain't gonna be touching them for the kind of money. I mean, these things are just an investment grade car that you can drive, is nice to drive, and all that. I usually zoom up to where I can show you without my shadow in it at this time of day, and then it gets bouncy, so I zoom back out. So here we go. I'm gonna do a walk around, show you the once around of the car to where you can see exactly just how nice it is. I'm gonna do a close-up, and I'll go around and show you any close-up things that are wrong with it. A little scratch or a ding, or God, I don't even know if there's a ding in this car. It's just gorgeous. My name is Nathan. It's 406-546-8748. oneownercarguy.com. If you're looking for one of these, stop it and call me, because this is the one you want. It is the most awesome, nice. Oh man, look at these wheels. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so with that in mind, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the underneath. Make sure to subscribe and add me here on YouTube. I do all kinds of videos. I think there's 8,000 on here. Look underneath this car. It don't get much cleaner than this, buddy. Clean car. All the chrome, stainless, and all that looks good on it. Seal sticking up just a little bit there. The car has obviously been painted at some point, and it's in great shape. It's nice paint. Your fog lights or what have you are in great shape, and I'll tell you, all the lenses and everything look just absolutely great. There's a couple stress marks starting in there on both sides. I want to show you. You can hardly see them. They don't take on water, it don't seem. Now, one thing about these older cars that goes first, it seems, is the shoopy shoop here. I don't know what to call it. Bumper foam. Let's call it bumper foam. The bumper foam on this car is just in great bumper shape. Just in great shape. Everything about, look at the chrome, man. There's a gouge or ding or whatever you want to call it right there. It's okay, that's a little mark right there. Nothing to really write home about. A little scuff. Little scuff here or there. I think that's a super squirter. So it's missing that. Mirror on the side's gone. A couple little scuffs. I think it might actually buff out. But look at this, man. Down the side, I don't want to say there ain't no dings, but there sure ain't much. Jeez, man. It's straight. So straight. Tiny ding, I think, right there. I'm going to come back from the other side. A little scratchy thing right there. Hard to see. It's not really all that bad. You can't see any of this standing back looking at it, but get up close, you can find something. Right here. Scratchy little smudges, different places. Man, it's nice. Trim is old but straight as can be, like it's a little tiny warp. You can barely see it. Little scratches here and there. The stainless or pot metal or whatever it is around here is great. Little ding right there. Even the top part, just all nice. Love these straps. This one's a little short on the black. I love these straps going across the roof of them. Just awesome. Okay, so nice car, clean car. You've seen that much. I've rambled on about it because it's rambleable. Rambleable. This here, man, these things are just in such good, clean shape. And look around the piece here. It's just so clean. Little marks. Oh, the guy that washed this for me got the marks on the chrome after he put this stuff on. Something to that effect. Oh, and look at this stuff. It's still pliable, look. I'm not afraid about it breaking or nothing. It just won't. Okay, so I got a fingerprint on my chrome. 280C, yeah baby. Antennae does not go up and down on its own accord. It needs you. Monterey Park resident permit. Huh? Here's a parking permit, huh? Oh, that's right. This came from like West Hollywood or something, I think. North Hollywood. I don't remember. Little dingy ding there. Not much, just a little thing in there. Little mark in the paint there and there. Little mark right here. Little crack. Scratchy crack. Little mark there. A couple chips right here. Like he was opening it into a curb or something. I don't know. I'll come back down it and give you another look. Glass is in great shape. A couple little marks, but no chips or cracks as such. Look at down the side of this car. Little marks by the lights there. The chrome, just in great shape. Look at these wheels, speaking of chrome. And look at these stinking tires. Look at all that tread. Little titties all over the side and everything. Okay, going down the side once again. Just straight, man. I'm gonna say there's a ding or something somewhere where I'm not seeing it, but it's a straight car. Right there might be something. I'll come back and look. He has a little wheel wobble. Looks like it actually has something inside it, but there's no door panel. So, but there's a door panel. Okay, so that's that. All your chrome stainless, man. That's a cool mirror. Doesn't have a mirror on the other side. Maybe that's why I think it's so cool. Ha ha ha. Okay, so that's your car. That's your walk around. I'm Nathan. I'm gonna take it for a drive now, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you all about it. Wow, beautiful car. Hang on a second here, and we'll do it to it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to show you, and I don't really think there is. God, you hear how that thing starts? You heard that, right? I sure hope so. Because I'm here to tell you, it's like, turn the key just a little bit. Woomph, right now. Look at that sun, just beautiful. Hope that wasn't too bright for you. Okay, cool. Shift's great. Nice little car. There, you get some looks. If you don't like talking to people about your car when you're at the gas station, buy a different one. How's that? Just buy a different one. Because this one gets people looking and wanting to ask you questions. What year is that? That's why people must get it on their plate sometimes, because they get sick of answering questions. I don't know about that, but it sounds plausible. Pre-smog, baby. Pre-smog. What that means for all of you out there in California, is you don't need to smog this car. No siree. Which is kind of cool. It's extra cost, all that stuff. Extra hassle. And I need it on an old car like this. You know, you leave this thing sit around a little bit, and this thing is just an appreciatory in value type thing. I think I might have made that word up, but I'm going to go up in value is what I'm saying. Oh my. Bumped my camera there. Big bump on my camera. I'm gonna turn in here and we'll go back out and run at this. I usually turn around here and drive back down that way. Okay. I'm tempted to take all my interior pictures right here. But the next thing you know, a big rig will have to come in here and I'll be in trouble. Okay, here we go. Just what a great car. I don't know if I like it more for the investment type thing or if I like it more for the classic chrome, just real Mercedes-Benz and that old feeling. I mean, just, it's that classic feeling. Actually, it wasn't a classic feeling back in the day. It was just that feeling. Now it's the classic feeling. But this car, great car. I'm talking away, man. I'll tell you what, you get out here trying to make a video and tell people about a car and how something drives, and you either talk too much or you don't talk enough. If I don't talk enough, you're gonna change the video. If I do talk too much, you're gonna change the video. So I'm just stuck with a bunch of people that probably gonna change the video because they didn't like what I did. So I'm just trying to hit that happy medium and show you these fantabulous cars. Make sure and check out my channel, oneownercarguide.com, because on that channel, like I say, I've got about 8,000 videos, 7 or 8,000, I forget how many. We got it here. Okay, in the lot, there's my Lexus LS400, baby. There's a Range Rover P38. There's the Accord. If Accord's for sale too. I got some cars around here for sale. Bump my camera again. Battery's loose in there. W124 wagon. W124 sedan. Old stinking Nissan. Stinking SLs and BMWs and limousines and Mercedes and Hondas and Mustang convertibles and more W140s, Elantes, W120. Oh man, come on, I got all kinds of stuff here. Call me and buy something. We got a Brooklyn for stink, come on. Okay, this is the car. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. And I don't know, man, make sure and subscribe because I got all kinds of videos and such on here and I do new ones all the time and you're gonna wanna see them. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. One Owner Car Guy.